NuType, the first mechanical keyboard designed especially for MacBook. It combines the most advanced technology and smartest design, redefining the laptop typing experience. NuType is a mechanical keyboard which uses ultra-thin, short travel, high-watt chalk switches, making your typing faster, easier, and more accurate. With NuType, you receive a better typing experience than any other available MacBook keyboard, no matter the version. Full RGB lighting with different backlight modes offers a new level of customization for your MacBook.